Go to the website burlingtonenglish.in. Click on the BE login button in the top right corner. Enter your username and password to log in. Select Webbooks from the menu. Click on the search bar, type Magic of Early Years 2 and press Enter. Select the Burlington Magic of Early Years 2 kit by clicking on the relevant icon. Click on Oral Language Development. Browse through the introductory pages to understand the book's content. The Tools section at the top provides interactive learning features. Adjust the Tools section's position as needed. Use the arrow keys or the drop-down menu to navigate through pages. Click on the triangular purple button and hit play to listen to the audio.
Hello, song.
You can adjust the playback speed via the drop-down menu.
Hello, hello. 1, 2, 3, hello.
Switch between single-page and double-page views for better readability. Use the magnifying glass icon to zoom in, or the expand page icon to enlarge the page. Use the pen tool to engage with activities. Click the top left arrow to go back. Select word recognition. Help your child learn letter sounds by clicking the triangular purple button near the letters. The purple play buttons in the margins allow you to listen to word pronunciations.
Microphone, music, mat, man, mouse.
Use the circle tool or pen tool to complete exercises. Highlight activities while the audio plays using the circle tool.
Mouse, television, baby, table, music, man.
Use the cursor tool to play audio and the pen tool to tick boxes.
Television, microphone, table, music.
Click on the 3 dots in the top right corner and select Writing Practice. Use the pen tool to trace the patterns and letters. If you made a mistake, use the eraser tool or the undo Kana redo tool to correct it. Click on the 3 dots and select Rhymes Book. Choose a chapter from the drop-down menu. Click on the green video icon to watch the animated rhyme. Adjust the video speed using the available options.
We are at school today, school today, school today. We are at school today. This is what we do. We stand.
Click Close to exit. Listen to the rhyme audio by clicking the triangular purple button.
We are at school today, school today, school today. We are.
Click on the 3 dots to access the storybook. Click on the triangular purple button to hear the audio narration.
Talking Turtle. Toor the turtle and Hira and Mira the geese live near a forest lake. All day long they eat and talk. They talk and eat.
Click on the 3 dots to access World Around Me activity book. Navigate to the relevant chapter you want to explore. Use the line tool to connect words to the correct body parts. Zoom in and mark your response on the smiley face to share feedback. Click on the 3 dots to open the numeracy skill book. Click to access the page you want to go to. Click on the green video icon to watch the animated video on number formation.
Numeral 1.
Practice writing numbers using the pen tool. Click on the 3 dots to open the Wellness and Wellbeing activity book. Read the introduction to understand the importance of wellness and well-being in a child's life. You may click on the relevant page, follow the instructions, and complete the activity. Leave feedback by selecting one of the 3 given options. Click on the 3 dots to open Art and Craft. Click on the relevant page or chapter. Let children pick a colour from the pen tool and start creating. Encourage them to experiment and create something unique. Refer to the visual guide to complete the activity. Click on the 3 dots to open the Parent's Handbook. Go to the Contents page. Click on an index item to jump to the relevant section. Use the highlight tool to mark important lines. Click on the 3 dots to access Oral Language Development Home Play. Go to the relevant page and let your child engage in the activity independently. After completing the activity, mark whether it was done independently or with help. Click on the 3 dots to open the Numeracy Homebook. Select a topic from the Contents page and follow the book's instructions to complete the activities. You can keep track of progress for each book and chapter. Keep track of the time spent engaging in activities.